Ooh, it's Prime Day! Hey-o, welcome back and I hope everyone's doing well. Today, it's Prime Day. Let's have a look and see what we have in here. Well, first gotta get a knife. Okay, so I've got some knives because, you know, everybody's got like a really cool knife when they open up their shipments, and I didn't really have a knife, so, you know, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. Could use scissors. What do we call this? We call this one the Noisy Cricket. We will use the Noisy Cricket to open up the box. Here we go. The Noisy Cricket. Okay, that's probably like the sharpest knife out of the whole bunch, even though it's the smallest, but anyway, we're good. We're open. So, what do we have here? First of all, we have a transfer cable or a micro USB to USB mail. Oh, this is an OTG cable. This is to go from my tablet to the Mavic Pro controller. I'm gonna experiment with these. These are little tracker devices. So I think I'm gonna put one on the Mavic. If you guys have any idea like what happens if you lose it in the forest, because you know I'd like to go out and get some really cool shots of the autumn leaves, and if that thing goes down in a forest, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to pinpoint exactly where it is. So I'm thinking about putting this tracker, or there's another one in here. When I find it, I'll show you, because I ordered 2 of them. So I've got these trackers, which are pretty cool. Do a little review on those later. Bulk cables to go out of the Mavic controller. In this case I'm using, you know, an iPad or a micro or USB-C. This guy here, the ends on there, they're gonna cover whatever cable I use. Ha! That's the other tracker. There you go. That's the other tracker. Mint. Mint. It's like a mint. So that's a pretty elegant, nice looking little tracker here. Ooh. 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 How thin that is. This will be the tracker for sure that I mount to the Mavic. Now you guys can't look at the focus on this thing. Okay, so this is the tracker for sure I think I'm gonna use on the Mavic. This one's mint. It's by Slight Tech. Okay. Anyway, plan on doing a full review on this one here. The reason I went with this one is it has a replaceable battery, user replaceable. Basically the same kind of battery that you have in a key fob. And it's nice and slim, so I can mount it somewhere. We'll figure out where together on the Mavic. And yeah, oops, we'll be good to go. Leave a comment below if you think these things are stupid to add to your Mavic, if you just use the GPS that's built into the Mavic. Again, I just got one, so I'm learning. This is just something that I thought, hey, if the thing goes down somewhere, it's one more way. And I mean, these things are only good to the range of Bluetooth, which I don't think a lot of people realize, but hey, we'll check it out. Definitely gonna go with this guy here over these ones for sure. I mean, this one's nice and small. Like see, it's the focus. Oh yeah, focus on me. Anyway, this one here is little. Like it's tiny. It's definitely like keychain sized. Maybe I'll put these on the keychain. Yeah, these will go on the keys. Never lose my keys again. Oh, cool. See, you just get random colors, right? So I got a green one too. White, green. Oh, right here, protection for you. Yeah, protection for you. You being the camera, not you being the audience. But you guys should always use protection. Not sure I'm gonna use the rain cover, but nice idea. This is a shoulder bag for that SLR camera to keep it protected, because I've been throwing it in a great MEC pack that's taken me to Europe a bunch of times, but not really with this type of gear. So this pack here is made for an SLR. So you can see, like so. Ooh, when you put your stuff inside. And this side here opens as well, and you have multiple pockets. So again, do a little bit of a review on this guy later. Aha! Leaky life. Jiffy? I don't know, guys, but this one's supposed to be good. Newer. Get some NZ action on the Mavic. Okay. Use it. These are NC filters for the DJI Mavic. Ah, beauty. You know, they didn't put a picture of the case in the description, and I was hoping they came in something, and they did. These are the ones. Okay, so something really annoying with this camera is whenever I push like focus or like the button to focus the lens, it stops recording sometimes, and like I don't understand why. So again, comment below if anybody knows how to use a Nikon D5200 to record properly. Not sure how much of the last piece you got, but these are the lens filters, the NZ filters for the Mavic Pro. So here's what they look like, and I think this is where I lost you last time trying to focus in on one of these, because it's exactly what happened. Anyway, that's the filters. So I'll do a comparison on these different filters later on the Mavic, so again, stay tuned. So hit that subscribe button below if you want to see a comparison of these different NC filters on the DJI Mavic, and as well, if you want to see a link to any of this stuff, I put the link below. This is something that everybody needs. So again, back to the focus thing on the camera. I think it stopped, so I'm not sure if you got this. This guy here is this guy. Can you see it? Can you see it? Oh no! It's for a tablet. So basically, this allows you to mount a tablet to the smaller DJI controller. And like right out of the box, like let me tell you, this thing feels great. It's all aluminum. I went with the aluminum because I didn't want to mess around. I mean, you are putting an expensive tablet in there. And that is some grip. I have to focus on this camera. I mean, it's springy on there. This piece here, this mounts to the actual grip on the bottom of the Mavic. I think there's a piece missing. Well, that really... Oh, wow. There's nothing missing. This thing is really freaking awesome. Okay, so you can see how thin that is, right? See how thin this blade is? Okay. This, you watching? This folds up. And this folds up. That's the piece I was looking for. It's built in. Okay, this thing is wicked. The craftsmanship on this piece, I'll tell you, like, all aluminum, anodized aluminum, which is awesome. So this is the piece, again, that I was looking for. You can see it's a ball mount. This is this piece. Look at this. Ta-da! And then this, probably have to unscrew that. Yeah. Pops on there. Pops on there. Oh wow. Now I know why there's a carrying case. This thing is wicked. This is made to be compact, just like the DJI Mavic. So if you're gonna have the DJI Mavic and you have a compact drone, and you want to use a tablet, then you definitely need to have a compact tablet mount. And I'll tell you guys, like, this is it. These guys know what they're doing. Okay, so definitely check these guys out. The link in the description below. So this bracket, OTG cable, Mavic controller, hit that subscribe button. We'll combine it later together and we'll see how amazing this thing works, but like, I am really impressed. So cool. All right, hit that subscribe button. Thank you very much for watching. Glad you guys love this stuff as much as I do. Hey, make sure that you hit that subscribe button below. Got lots more videos coming at you. Till the next time, take it easy. Hey everybody, thanks for watching today. Smash that like button to send us some love. Hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Hope your day was full of awesomeness.